GT03235 bringing you another quick video. This video, guys, to all my tactical friends and bitches out there in YouTube land, is about the Taurus Judge, which is certainly not a new gun. It's been around now for a couple of years in various styles and formats, but this one is called the Public Defender. This one has the 2-inch snub nose barrel. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so here we have it. This is again the Taurus Judge Public Defender. It fires the 45 long Colt or 410 shot shell shotgun cartridges. I fired quite a bit to this gun. I seem to find out pretty quickly what it's capable of and what it's not capable of. The actual barrel on this is only 2 inches in length, which is not going to give you any extreme accuracy. It's pretty good for close-up things. I mean, this is what it was designed for originally. So it was designed for like carrying in your car, possibly concealed carry, but I think it's a little bit big for that. It's actually based on the Model 85 frame. It feels identical in the hand to a Model 85 apart from the weight. It's obviously longer than the Model 85. It's a stretched frame. It has shallow rifling in the barrel, which again doesn't add anything for accuracy, but again it could not be smooth bore like a shotgun, because then it would be illegal because the barrel length is under 18 inches. Let's have a quick look at it. So you have the 2.5 inch cylinder, which will take the large 410 shot shell cartridges, or the 45 long Colt. It's 29 ounces unloaded. Again, it's not a light gun, but I mean, you could carry it quite comfortably with the correct holster. Although this is the Public Defender, now the Public Defender supposedly comes with a bob-tailed hammer. This one has a full-size hammer on it, so I don't know. This must have been built on a Friday afternoon when I wanted to get out early. The trigger pull on this beast is a pretty hefty 8 pounds pull. It's not the lightest of triggers, but again, it's not the lightest of guns. Recoil is not bad, firing the 410 or the 45 long Colts. Although most people would need to double hand it because of the size of the grip. It's a double action, single action trigger, so you can either cock it or just pull the trigger, but again, for a hefty pull. A Public Defender, 2-inch barrel, fun gun. Keep watching, plenty more videos to come. The next one's going to be about a Kel-Tec Sub 2000. So anyway, GT03235 signing off.